Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax at Dallas Yacht Center here in Lake Louisville. Today I want to show you a new brokerage boat we just have. It's a 2011 Sea Ray 450 Sundancer. We're on the swim platform right now. As you can see, it's got the sea deck on it, which is nice and soft, padding on your feet, but it's a huge swim platform. Great for us here at Lake Louisville because we want to swim and hang out on the back of the boat, so plenty of room for your friends and your guests. Another thing I like about it, you got a nice sun lounge here in the back, but also the storage. That's convenient. Right back here you can throw extra lines and fenders, your floats, your noodles, all your water toys. It's kind of like a nice trunk right here in the back. Really cool thing that Sea Ray did, you've probably seen, is they got these wing doors, so once you get anchored out you can swing both sides open and just make this sun lounge even bigger than it was before. That's a really cool option. As you can see, we got the sea deck going all the way into the cockpit. It's nice and clean. And this is a coupe, so it's pretty nice that it's got glass around the side, a big sunroof on the top, a little bit of canvas in the wintertime you can put up if you were to really enclose it in for those winter months. But besides that, it's nice and comfortable in here, using it year round, especially here in Lake Louisville and in North Texas. We can really use our boats year round. Great seating back here in the back. I love this high gloss teak table. It's definitely an option and an upgrade that they got on here. It's a gorgeous table. Plenty of seating for everybody, but then also you have your little outdoor kitchen. The Kenya grill right here, great, easy to use in the cockpit of the boat. Another refrigerator for your drinks and snacks, a pull-out cooler. Great storage compartments everywhere on the boat. You got a little cockpit sink, a trash chute right there, and there's also a drop-down cooler underneath that other lid. This TV and stereo system and speakers was all upgraded in 2017. So you're getting a new KVH unit, so now you can stream your favorite football games if you want to be out here. All upgraded in 2017. Stepping up here to the cockpit, you're going to see it has the teak option here at the helm. Which is really pretty nice. It's not slippery. It's also protected underneath this hardtop, so you're not going to have to sand it and oil it as much if it's back there in the elements in the sun, and it gives it that really cool nautical look. This boat does have the Cummins diesel 430 pod drives on it. Joystick control, skyhook, autopilot, everything that makes it easier for the captain to drive a boat and park it at the end of the day. You're going to the gas dock, it's busy, hit that skyhook button, it'll use those pod drives and hold you right in spot. It really is like, a virtual first mate. It takes the anxiety out of coming back to the slip at the end of the day and docking your boat. Got the Ray Marine E120s on there. He does have radar, GPS on it. There's only 333 hours on these diesel engines. New pods were installed in 2017 too, so even though this is a 2011 Sea Ray, it has the upgraded, most current 2017 pods underneath it, so that's a huge plus for you coming in. It does have cockpit air and heat. I feel that the cold air blowing on me right here, so on a hot day you can stay cool in here. If you want, you can open up the sky light, so on the hot summer days it does have this nice shade. You can pull the shade closed and block off that radiant heat maybe coming through the glass, but the spring and the fall and the winter you can look at the stars and open it up. I really like too these power vents up there on the windshield, so say you do want to get the wind blowing through you, you can hit the buttons open or closed. I can have a breeze or I can close it off with the push of a button, so you really can get airflow through this coupe style boat if that's what you want. 4 people riding up here together facing forward, I like that, with the big bolster seats on it, so the captain's just not isolated up here by himself driving everybody else around. Have everybody up here together so you can be part of the conversations when you're cruising across the lake. Let's step down below and see what they did. I really like this layout. I think it's phenomenal for just a couple's boat that you like to entertain and have people on the boat with you. And I'll show you why. One, you got this gorgeous wraparound salon seating area, another high gloss table on here. Same thing too, the table can fold over for cocktails, it's easier to move around. So you have this area of the boat. If somebody wants to watch something on TV right here, You hit a button, and bam, a TV drops down from out of the ceiling. But that's not the TV you're gonna want to be watching, because this boat has what I call a media room back here in the back. Check this out. So you're gonna come back here. Now you got a big widescreen TV down below, LED lights. You can change the color if you like. Bose surround sound system, so an awesome little area at the end of the night, your little retreat. You come down here and relax before you go to bed. This sofa can pull out and make into a sleeping berth too, so if you do want to have another couple or kids or grandkids on the boat, this would probably be the second sleeping area. We'll take a look at the Ford Master, but this would probably be bed number 2, and that sofa right up forward, that would be sleeping area number 3. So you could sleep 6 people on the boat if you wanted to. But what's really cool about this boat is the Master's forward, and you also have a slide-in pocket door. And it's secure, so it won't slide on you when you're underway. But look how private that is. So during the day when you have a lot of people in and out of the boat, maybe it's some co-workers, people you want to entertain, nobody's looking at your bed, nobody's seeing your bed, nobody's sitting on your bed. All that's private. That's my zone. Somebody needs to use the restroom. They got access here for the head and the sink, and it's finished out gorgeous with this high gloss wood, nice tile floor on it, great countertops, finished out like they'd do a L-class here. A huge galley down here too, so if you are entertaining, got a lot of people outside, a lot of people inside, plenty of storage. You got a dual electric stove if you want to do something down below, huge sink. We just upgraded, the customers replaced the refrigerator this year in 2019, so we got a new fridge down here. Great storage compartments all above, great pull-out drawers, so storage everywhere. So during the day, in and out, using this area, it's great. When it's time for night and the Master's retreat, you're going to come forward. They did something really cool. We saw the day head, nice head and a shower, countertops is gorgeous, and they split it. So there's your head and your sink. On this side is going to be a shower. So if somebody wants to take a nice warm shower at the end of the day, you're not going to steam up the head and the sink area. They keep it separated. And look at the nice high gloss wood doors. So as you come forward, right now the bed is tilted up. There's a power actuator. So in the evening time, when it's time to go to bed, you're going to hit this button. You're going to lower the bed out about 1.5 feet. It's going to take up some walking space, but now if you're tall, now you got headroom. You can sleep comfortably on the bed. There's a hatch that opens up for light or breeze if you want to do that. But how cool is it during the day? Let's fold my bed up out of the way to give me more walking room while you're getting dressed. The boat is going to have 2 cedar lined closets. LED lights again, you can change the color for accent lights or overhead white lights. You got your own TV that's hooked up to KVH, so you're watching satellite in here. Let's take a look at this shower compartment. Again, it's separate from the sink and the head. So now 2 people can be using the bathroom facilities at the same time. Really good layout. It's been a very popular option on some Sea Ray models. The customers love them. Again, my name is Robert Moody with MarineMax at Dallas Yacht Center. If you have any questions about this 2011 Sea Ray 450 Sundancer, please give me a call, 214-244-5535. Thank you.